This power chair weighs just 28.6 pounds without the battery and cushion, and it folds down to only about 9 inches wide and is designed for travel. But how easy is it to actually unbox, set up, and use?
Let's find out. Hello, Greg here with AutoMobility Store. Today we're going to be taking the ModoBreeze Folding Power Chair by Whill out of the box. I'm going to show you how to put it together, how to get it ready to go. So let's open up the box. First impression, everything is packaged tightly and protected well.
Inside we have the power chair itself, the joystick, your seat cushions, the removable lithium-ion battery, and your charger and your user manual. The chair itself weighs only 28.6 pounds without the battery and the cushion, and the battery adds another 3.9 pounds, so this is significantly lighter than many traditional folding power chairs.
And this is what immediately stands out, the carbon fiber construction. It gives the power chair a really clean, modern appearance, but more importantly, it keeps it lightweight. Now let's see how much work it takes to get it ready for its first drive.
You just unfold the frame, make sure it's fully open and in the locked position. Install the cushions, connect the joystick, and slide the battery into place. The ModoBreeze has a maximum speed of 3.7 miles per hour, which is pretty standard, and a wonderful driving range of up to 9.5 miles per charge.
And just like that, it's ready.
So what do I like most about the ModoBreeze? First, the weight at 28.6 pounds without the battery and cushion. It's one of those chairs you can realistically consider transporting regularly. Second, it's simple, it unfolds quickly, the controls are easy to understand, and it doesn't feel intimidating. Third, it includes thoughtful everyday features like the USB charging port, has a beautiful LCD display, your integrated headlight, which you saw is very bright, your solid tires, and that removable battery. And finally, it just looks good. The carbon fiber frame gives it a much more modern, redefined appearance than many of those traditional folding chairs that are out there today. And you really cannot beat the price tag on this power chair. So if you need a highly customized rehab seating system or a chair intended for rough terrain, you probably want to consider a different category of power chair. But for errands, vacations, your family outings, restaurants, shopping, just everyday travel, the ModoBreeze really, I think, offers a lot in a remarkably lightweight package.
My final verdict, the ModoBreeze is lightweight, very compact, and easy to transport. If you'd like any more information on the ModoBreeze Folding Power Chair by Whill, give AutoMobility Store a call at 800-431-3183 and let us know in the comments what features you'd like us to review next.